So the next binder that we have here is this binder from TopDeck. Okay, so I have the white version, and this is a mega binder. Okay, so this is a 16 pocket side loading card binder with white pages. So as you can see here, we have side loaders, and it's going to hold over 1,000 cards. This is really for multiple collections. So 1,000 cards to be loaded onto here, and it is a side loader. Now with this binder, you do have the zipper, but let me show you first like what the front looks like. This is what the zipper looks like. And this, I must admit, like so far the zippered binders they just feel really high quality, okay? This is what the side looks like, and this is what the back portion looks like. So this does come in multiple colors in case you don't want the white version, but this is a really, really nice binder though. And so if we start loading some cards in here, it just fits in really, really neatly as far as these side loaders go. So over 1,000 cards could actually fit in here. Each page consisting of 16 pockets, and likewise with the sides being side loaders, it just makes it so that the cards don't fall out. But this is what it looks like though. So very, very nice binder, I must admit. And so with it, if you do have large collections, this is going to be a great binder. I mean, it's going to protect your cards. Your cards won't be damaged just because of the spacing within the bindings itself. And yeah, this is for people who have like extremely large collections, I imagine. And you can put multiple collections in here. And then once you're all done, just zip it up. But let's go ahead and move on to the next binder.